G'day DIYers, I'm just preparing this for grouting. I've just done the skirting. Getting out all your crosses, a good way of getting them out is with a sponge, because some of them can be stuck in there like that. I find it's a good way of getting them out is with a sponge, and you're not tearing shit out of your fingers. And they've all got this protective sort of rubbery stuff between the tiles, so it's all over the tiles. Well, the sponge gets that off too. They're all landing on the floor, and just sweep them up once finished. See all the rubbery, they must put it on to protect the tiles in the packaging. But if you're pulling these out one by one, you'd be here forever. And if you're pulling them out with your fingertips, you'd have no skin left. Oh, it came off easy. There's a little bit of glue here and there. I'll get that off shortly. Then you just have a mountain of crosses on the floor. Sweep them up. You can use them again. It's not very often I use crosses these days. It's all clips. The only time I use crosses is if I'm laying subway tiles. I'll come back to you when I'm grouting, because it needs to be done with a grout stick. Because it's a wiggly, wavy tile, it's hard to get the grout lines right. But when you do it with a grout stick, which I'll show you shortly, it's easy peasy. All right, I'll see you soon.